In honor of Spider-Man No Way Home coming out, I ordered a special something in order of the premiere. Got this special from Etsy. Shout out to all the Etsy creators. You guys are the best. Very, very special. You guys can clearly tell from the title what this is, but it's even more amazing when you see it. Look at how amazing this is. Wow. Authentic Spider-Man 1 mask. Let's take it out of the wrapping. This was handmade, 3D printed from an Etsy creator. I will put their link down in my description. You can tell how intricate every single piece of this design is. Look at this. Everything. I can smell how like fresh this is. It has an inside that's hard interior. Has elastic, put the mask on wherever. Look at every single detail is on this. It's amazing. It's beautiful. I can just smell how fresh the person made this. The outline, design, the inside. Look at the inside. Everything is elastic. You can wear this. The inside is hard. You can see through the eyes. It has a zipper in the back so you can close it behind you. Obviously, I'm gonna be wearing this to the premiere. It's beautiful. You guys should definitely try and go and get one. It is one of the most beautiful art pieces I've ever seen.